Do you miss me? Cheers, everybody. How are you? Cooking with the Claw has sort of returned. I was gonna make a dinner tonight, family recipe. It's a recipe that my mom used to make all the time growing up. I was feeling kind of nostalgic, really missing my mom. And I was like, gosh, it was kind of a colder, rainy day. And I thought, you know what? I'd really like right now is my mom's goulash. She made this goulash that was just so wonderful. You ever have those recipes that your family members make that you're like, man, it's so good. And when they're gone, they take that with them, unfortunately. But I was like, gosh, I miss my mom's goulash. You know, it was so meaty with the rigatoni. The way she made it was so wonderful. And I was like, you know what? I'm gonna make a goulash that would make Mama proud. And I'm gonna make it right now. And so I thought, you know what? I haven't done a cooking with the Claw video in a while. Have some other projects. Caroline and I started a business. We have some t-shirts and things we're doing. In fact, this one here is our new one. We're getting ready for Monday Night Football tonight. So fall is fine. It's football time. How cool is that? We have an Etsy shop if you want to check it out. It's called Two Woods Designs. So we have a little website. We got all kinds of products. You want to check out some shirts? We got some really fun ones. Shameless plug, if you don't mind. In the meantime, we're gonna try out a new recipe that's kind of new old, just some goulash on a Monday night. This is one dish that's really great to reheat. You can make it and just have it throughout the week and make it for lunches, you know, reheat it. Awesome. Gonna be a one-pot meal. It's super easy, really fun for the family, and if you have kids, they'll absolutely love it. So here we go. Cooking with the Claw starts now. Okay, so let's take a look at the ingredients for this Mama's famous goulash recipe. 1 whole medium onion, diced up, 2 pounds of organic ground beef, rigatoni, I thought this looked pretty good, minced garlic, paprika, some sea salt, organic diced tomatoes, 2 cans. We got black pepper, tomato sauce I'm gonna use. It's a Nona's recipe, and so it's gonna be really tomatoey. Then we're gonna have some Italian seasonings, oregano and basil. And last but not least, some Worcestershire, we'll call it horsey sauce. Worcestershire, it's in there. Drop in our ground beef, 2 pounds of organic ground beef. Gonna brown this off really nice. Gonna break it down. This is a super meaty recipe. You could also use ground turkey or maybe some sausage. You could add in, would be really good. We're just using all organic ground beef today. I'm gonna take 1/4 cup of minced garlic. Just get it on in there. It's gonna give it great flavor. The Worcestershire sauce, I'm just literally gonna put about 2 teaspoons in there. These are our seasonings. I put them all together to make it easy. 2 teaspoons of paprika, a tablespoon of oregano, tablespoon of basil, and a tablespoon of black pepper. It's all going in the mix. We're just gonna shake it in. We're gonna season the meat with this, just like that. Last but not least, we're gonna get all the onion in there. Let that start working. Okay. Super easy. You could do it all in one pot, and you'll have dinner ready in no time. Everybody's busy. They have full schedules. This is something you can make super easy, even on a Monday night after being busy all day. Ready for Monday Night Football? All good. Good for the next ingredients. I think we are. It smells so good. I'm going to add in our 2 cans of organic diced tomatoes. These here are Kirkland brand. They are from Costco. They're really good. The best tomatoes. You guys, if you shop at Costco, you gotta pick up some of their organic diced tomatoes. They're so good. Look at this. Is this not looking good or what? Seriously? I'm serious. Mama would be proud. At least I hope she would be. I miss her so much. I was actually just really brought to tears because you know, it's just one of those things that you just know you'll never have her make that for you again, you know? At least not in this realm. And the next up are known as tomato sauce. And this is actually like just pasta sauce, but you could use tomato sauce. But I thought this looked really good. This known as recipe. Homemade flavor. And it's got basil in it, no sugar added, no artificial ingredients. The real deal, right here. Now is when the magic happens. Goulash is coming together. This looks fantastic. Oh my gosh, this just smells so good. Wait till Caroline tastes this. She's gonna add in our rigatoni. This is a pound of rigatoni. See, I like these nice thicker tubes. You could actually use the larger ones too. You can also use like rotini pasta or like penne pasta. That works really well too. But I like the tubes. I like the way my mama made it was with the rigatoni with the tubes. And it's so good. We're just gonna cook this right in here directly. With the sauce and everything. This is how we do. It's gonna be fantastic. I promise. Oh, you know what? There is one final ingredient. I lied. You remember when I said that was the last ingredient? I lied. Yeah, we put some cheese at the end. We're gonna put 1.5 cups of shredded cheese in this. Okay, so just keep stirring this until it gets boiling, and then make sure you just keep stirring it while it's cooking. We're gonna let this simmer for 20 minutes. Okay, so we are looking good here. This is on a boil. Gonna give it a stir. I'm gonna get all the pasta kind of down in there so it cooks. I'm gonna make sure it's nice and hot. Make sure you cook that pasta. Okay, this is an update. Looking really good. It's gotta keep stirring. As I mentioned, we are gonna add some cheese at the very end, 1 cup of shredded Jack and cheddar, and 1/2 cup of shredded Parmesan Reggiano. Can't go wrong with that, right? You gotta have the cheese. Alright guys, it's almost done. Pasta's still cooking, but it's looking a little less tomatoey, and I'm thinking I want to add another can of organic diced tomatoes. So scratch the original thought of 2 cans, and we're gonna put in 3 cans of organic diced tomatoes, or perhaps 1 large can of diced tomatoes, and maybe 1 smaller one. But yeah, I think I want it to be a little more tomatoey. It just kind of, the tomatoes just kind of simmered down and melted. So I want to have a little more tomatoes. And actually it's kind of good to add it in, towards the end of the cooking. It looks like it's going to have a great tomato taste already with that known as recipe sauce in there. It looks so good. Okay guys, I just tested the pasta and it's pretty much nice and al dente. Looking good. Once again, I have 1 cup of shredded Jack and cheddar. And spread it all in there. Bam. 1/2 cup of Parmesan Reggiano. You could just use regular shredded Parmesan as well. Does this look good or what? I'm serious. This just looks wonderful. Look at this, just nice, meaty, cheesy. You guys, it's so good. If you like a little more tomato sauce, you could add like another 1/2 cup. Like I did, I put the other extra can of tomatoes in there. Really just do anything you want with it. It's one of those recipes you can add whatever you like to it. All right, just like that. Look at that. I transferred it into a little Corningware dish here. And I put a little bit of grated Parmesan on top. And dinner's served. That took me about 30 minutes for the whole process between chopping the onion, getting the spices together. I did cook the pasta and everything together for about 20 minutes total on a pretty good simmer, but you gotta make sure you keep stirring it in order to not burn anything. But man, the pasta, I just tasted it, is al dente and wonderful. Let's get another bite here. Get in my belly. We got tomato. We got tomato and meat. Look, it looks so good. It's good for your belly. So good on a fall night, kind of colder weather. It's really hearty. You guys, I'm so serious. This dish is gonna make you so happy, and your family, or whoever, just yourself. Party of one, that's okay. Party of two, even better. Party of whatever. Throw a party. Have fun with it. Excuse me, that was so good. I need to real quick make a dish of this and eat it, because it's really good. Wait till Caroline tastes this. I think she's gonna think that she died and went to heaven. I highly recommend. Make it, enjoy it, and I'll see you soon. And you know what? Just be kind to one another. Enjoy each day. Enjoy your family. Enjoy those recipes that your mom or your dad or your grandmother makes. Enjoy them while they're here, and have them make it for you this weekend, tonight, anytime. And just enjoy it, because it doesn't last forever, but it's really, really great to carry on tradition. And that's something Caroline and I are very fond of. So anyway, we love you guys. Thank you very much for tuning in to Cooking with the Claw today. And just remember, when food tastes this good, it should really be against the law. You've been cooking with the claw. Have a great day, everybody. Hope to see you soon. Bye.